Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's your girl, Lavina, and y'all know I came to pick y'all up for work. So I know I'm ready. I know we got plans today to do great things and make shmoney. The goal for today will be, we'll say $100 again. But you know we're going to try to make more. But if not, at least $100, y'all. Let's go. Well, we just got up here to BJ's, y'all. I feel good about it. You know, today gonna be what it's gonna be. How y'all been doing? How y'all week been going? I didn't ask y'all that on the other videos. Man, it's going. I know I might not. I'm thinking about my recording schedule for my gig vlog. It's probably gonna be 5 days a week. I don't know which days those gonna be. Who knows? It might be 7, honey. Cause right now I'm kind of working 7, at least for a few hours, unless I got something going on. And right now I don't have nothing going on. Like I ain't going nowhere. I don't have nothing planned. But if I do, then you know, it is what it is. But I'm thinking a Monday through Friday schedule or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Did I say we sitting up here at BJ's? We just pulled in. We've been here for like a minute. DoorDash say it's a 5-minute wait time. And y'all, I'm going to try not to spend no money today that I don't need to spend, honey. I got some recouping to do. So we just going to try to stay focused on the budget, the goal. We got waters, we got drinks, we got snacks, we got food. And let that be that. I'll just no gonna be the question. The answer for today. No gonna be the answer for today, baby. Okay, y'all. I'll be back if we get when we get an order. We might move the target if I sit here at the 5-minute mark and don't nothing come up. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back and we do have our first order. It's one shop only, it's one item, shop only at Dollar General, only going 1 mile, y'all, for $6.75. Now that's a good order to me because we trying to watch the miles today. I'm gonna do my best, but I did schedule out until Wednesday, next Wednesday, in case we gotta go under the platinum, because I'm prepared to do that today, okay? Because I'm all scheduled and we're not playing with DoorDash today. So this 1 mile was perfect. I feel good about it. Let's go get it, y'all. Windows up, child. These bugs in Florida is like alien bugs, something. A lot of us, if you don't live in Florida, honey, it's you ain't never seen bugs and birds and creepy crawlers and whatever else you can think of that's walking the earth besides humans. Honey, except dinosaurs, is in Florida, okay? I got stories about things getting in my car and me acting a total nut. Okay, y'all, we at Dollar General. Let's go shop this order. Good morning. Got the goods, y'all. Well, the good. Let's go to checkout. Okay, y'all, we only have a few minutes to drop off Valeria's Propel drink. And y'all, it's me, the new friend. Let's go. y'all, we here at this building, this office building. We're about to go meet Valeria. Let's go. Child, we gotta find Valeria. Let's see. Here you go, I found you. I'm like, where is this? You have a good day. Oh wait, we delivered to Valeria's husband, but it was under his pen, and now we're having app issues. So we're on our way to sit by Target until I can get this situated. You know, dealing with apps, y'all. What can you do? But I still feel good about today. We'll get it all figured out. I'm not worried about it. All right, see y'all when we get our next delivery. We got the goods, y'all. We got a little ride on this, but it's okay. We probably get some others coming back too. So y'all, I'll see y'all at MVIA, whatever that sound like. I don't know, MVIA. I don't know. Maybe it's a nickname or something. But I'll see y'all there. Okay, y'all, we've reached Maviva house. Let's go take him his order. Woo! Oh, goodness gracious. What the hell? Thank you for your business. Y'all, if you got pets running around, cats, dogs, goats, chickens, roosters, or whatever, and you know you got a delivery coming, I said that before. Like, don't nobody want your pets running up on them, okay? Let's go get some more order, y'all. My nerves bad. We back at Target, y'all. I just want to show y'all, this is the kind of example. Oh, we just getting the order. Let's see. It's for Target. Let's see if it's for us, y'all. Yeah, y'all, it ain't really for us, but we gonna take it. Y'all, we got 5 minutes to Narissa house. It took a little more time than I thought because they didn't have this coconut milk that she wanted. So it's okay though. I wanted to find it for her. So like I said, it's gonna be only 5 minutes, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get there. Okay, y'all, let's go take Narissa her order. Thank you for your business. Hey y'all, so we did 3 orders together today, and I'm so happy once again y'all came and spent a little time with your girl. But I'm gonna finish the other ones on my own, and I'll let y'all know though if we made our $100 for today. It's looking pretty good. They coming in pretty slow, and that cat, y'all, got my nerves bad. But I done calmed down from that. But once again, put your pets up, okay? I gotta say that. But I will see y'all later and let y'all know how we did. See y'all soon. Hey family, so we did make our quota today. We made $132, I think, in a little change. I'm just getting home from basketball with Jaden. It's been a long day, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know if I'm going to film tomorrow. I probably will, so I'll just see y'all tomorrow. Bye.